Why is marketing so important for any business and what are the benefits? So these are questions that people ask all the time, and don't worry guys, today we will discuss all of that. So before we start, welcome back to Got It Marketing. So my goal with this channel is to help you think outside the box really. I strongly believe you are creative and you can definitely make an impact with your business. So that is my goal with this channel. So let's start with the video. Alright, so what is marketing? So marketing is all the activities that contribute to building an ongoing, profitable relationship with your current and future customers in order to grow. When you think of marketing, it involves a lot of things, such as in marketing, you will be creating a lot of stuff. It can be communicating, the way you communicate with your customers, the way you deliver your message, whether it be through a video campaign or to social media, or there are different ways. In marketing, you will have to do a lot with analyzing. It is really important that you analyze your data and other campaigns you made in order to, improve them. And of course, in marketing is your ultimate goal is to offer value to your customers and to make sales. That's why you are doing marketing, whether it be if you want to make more sales or you just want to communicate, marketing will play an important role in your company. So why is it important? So marketing is one of the most important things a business can do. Not only does marketing helps you to build your brand, but it can also attract customers, getting them to buy your products or service and increases your sales. Remember guys, happy customers will always come back for more because they are happy, and at the end they will become loyal customers, and there is nothing better than loyal customers because loyal customers will basically do free promotion for you. In other words, we call that mouth-to-mouth marketing. So let's talk now about the benefits. So marketing have many benefits, such as one of the benefit is if you do really good marketing, you will get a lot of sales. But another benefit of marketing is you can use it to, as I mentioned before, to communicate with your potential customers. You can create value. Another great thing about marketing, if you do it really good, you can find your ideal customer and learn more about them. And this will create kind of your own community, especially if you have your own website and people will come back to your website because you provide value in some way. Another great thing about marketing is it can help you to build trust and attract loyal customers. Remember, loyal customers will do free promotion for your company. They will do really good review, and this will bring many benefits, especially if you are selling a product or a service. Another great thing about marketing is it can help you differentiate yourself from the competition. It is really important to stand out and to know what is your unique selling point because this will help you in the longer run, and that is what you want to achieve. Alrighty guys, so that's basically a little bit about marketing, and my exercise question for you is, what is your marketing goal? Feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And yeah guys, remember, marketing takes a day to learn and a lifetime to master, just as Phil Kotler says. So keep learning and keep growing and never give up. And with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye.